What's up? Today I want to talk about creative PC and also AI PC. So at first let's go to conclusion. My conclusion is like this. The CPU is Core i7 graphic board NVIDIA 5070 Ti that has 16 VRAM, and I'm building PC for I use 3D to the editing, graphic, music, coding, and I'm thinking about that. Maybe I think it's a good combination for just now. And I'm also thinking about 5080, one rank higher one, better one, but the price is maybe a bit higher, and I think it 16 gigabyte of VRAM will be the key for AI use, like graphic and video generation, and also thinking about the GPT, responding AI use. And I also thinking about these GPT things is something really difficult for local things, and I searched about how much VRAM using for such chat things, and on ChatGPT 3 it has, I thought, 300 VRAM for that, and 4 is much higher. So that's why it's really almost impossible to making same rank or quality of the chat on local conditions. So I'm thinking, so maybe it's good to have some choice, like for this work using local things, and for this one using like online GPU. I think that Google and other things offering, and that would be great balance out. Like getting 300 VRAM is really expensive. The higher rank, right? I'm not sure how much it costs, but I didn't even think about that. So using local things at your great cost, my great cost, the great balance of cost and quality, and using the online service like Runway or ChatGPT, and using that will be great balance, and also great balance for future, like 6th generation, 6,000 generation, 7,000 generation, and I don't think I'm getting the new one each year, so maybe it's good to have some balance of local things and using strong power graphic board GPU online. That's what I was thinking. And also I think about the other balance, so I want to share that. That is like 4 things: desktop, note, super note PC with GPU, old used PC, Intel, and for AMD. But my conclusion so far is this: the Intel NVIDIA Core i7 5070 Ti. And let's break down the other choice, and that might fit for other person. And one is my plan, additional plan, the desktop PC, the Core i7 5070 Ti, plus really lightweight 1 kilogram no PC. And for desktop, I gonna use Windows Pro, and then I can use remote display, Windows remote display, and control with no PC. And that will be really good for like working remotely. And that's my idea. And other thing, super no PC with GPU. But I thought it's really heavy, maybe 3 kilogram around that, and also the always need to be the battery charged because of the high power CPU mode. So it maybe not for my choice, and really expensive, not for long work, like maybe the Note PC is not as good as desktop PC for the air circulation and cooling the CPU and GPU. And that's why it makes like short lifespan on PC, maybe because of the condenser broke and these kind of things happens. So I think for 1 and 2, maybe 1 desktop plus lightweight no PC will be really good. Maybe. And 3 is old or used PC Intel. And I thought about that, but maybe not much benefit than new one like Core i7, and it is because of the old one might broke in near future, like maybe condenser or motherboard is has a life. So that's why at least these condenser things have to be new for the long run. So and also thinking about the 12th generation of Intel Core i7 12, but the price difference of the brand new 12 and brand new Ultra 7, that might not change that much. If that were half price or 1/3, I would think about that, but maybe not. So maybe it's better Core Ultra. I'm not sure about the Core Ultra, but maybe better for long run. And number 4 is AMD, and I did not like the blue screen program of Intel on Core 13th and 14th generation, but for software compatibility Intel is really good at it. So if you build a PC for gaming and maybe for gaming streaming, it would be good to have AMD CPU, GPU. But I want to use for other things, so I'm not sure. I think it's 95% okay for software. I'm not sure, just thinking. But I don't like 5% of risk, so I thought the Intel would be good for my mind. So that's why I'm thinking of getting Intel and NVIDIA. And also NVIDIA has very good at software adapt to NVIDIA. That's why in a way it can be monopolizing the GPU market. So that's another issue, but that's why I think AMD have more power. Then the market will be better than now. So AMD. I want AMD to be much stronger for software, or software company support AMD much more. It will be better for market, PC market. But also that really difficult. The making software. So for me, the compatibility is the key. So Intel and NVIDIA. That's my choice. Okay. So I explained the PC for my use. PC spec, right? Core i7, GPU 5070 Ti, 16GB. And this is for my use. So you use the PC for different things. So this is not the best choice for everyone, but that's my choice so far. And also thinking about 5060. I think that works for me, but I'm not sure how much it works. So that's a difficult choice. I think for my use it's fine, but I don't want to buy it again or change it. So I think it's safe choice for long run. And I'm afraid of 5080 for expensive price. So take the middle one. And also 12GB. I'm also thinking about 16GB is great for AI. So I think many people choose this one for AI. I'm not sure, but please let me know your thoughts about PC and your use for PC. And your use for AI and CPU, GPU. And I'm not sure. I don't know about the Core i9. I thought GPU matters most of hard, heavy works. So I think it's fine with Ultra 7. And let me know the Ultra 9 is better or 5 is fine. Your thoughts, write on the comment. Thank you for watching. thumbs up, like, and subscribe.